Sam Neill, ladies and gentlemen. Sam.
Jeff Goldblum.
You'll recognize this as soon as we start to play it. So our first go through, so listen to this.
I've grown accustomed to her face. She almost makes the day begin. I've grown accustomed to the tune. She whistles night and noon. Her smiles, her frowns, her ups, her downs are second nature to me now. Like breathing out and breathing in. I was so serenely independent and content before we met. Surely I could always be that way again, and yet I've grown accustomed to her face, accustomed to her looks. I've grown accustomed to her voice.
I've grown accustomed to her face. She almost makes the day begin.
Sing it, Jeff.
I've gotten used to hear her say, "Oh, Jeff, good morning," every day. Her joys and her woes and her highs and her lows, they're second nature to me now.
Oh, yeah.
Like breathing out, breathing in. Oh, here goes. I'm very grateful she's a woman. And
So easy to forget.
I could forget her rather
Like a habit one can always break.
We could break
And
that.
yet,
And yet,
I've grown accustomed
we've grown accustomed to the
trace of something
something
in the air.
in the air.
I've grown accustomed
I've grown accustomed
to your face.
to your face. Sam,
I've grown accustomed to your face. Forget about her.
Oh, Sam. Oh, Sam. Oh, Sam.